It is composition, okay? When we find the composite function, so what will I do? I'll just place x minus c in gx and I will solve for that and then I will compare it with this. So 4 times of
Okay.
x minus c square minus 6. Okay, how will you open this bracket?
X squared minus x squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That's the
Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, can you just try to open it and see what you are getting from here?
uh, you get x squared minus 2cx plus c squared in the bracket.
Okay, once just give me a minute. Okay. Yes, Vansh. So have you solved this and have you got anything from here?
No, I tried, but then I didn't understand it. I don't know.
Okay, the formula you are telling. So after that, where are you stuck? In which part you are stuck? Look, this formula you only told. Okay. After
Yeah,
that, when it will be multiplied, I'll get 4x square minus 8cx plus 4c square minus 6. Okay. Now we need to find C value in the question. Okay, so you have to understand that for such questions we compare like 4x square, 4x square, it is same.
yeah,
Okay, what is the x term? It is 40x.
yeah,
Over here, what is the x term? It is minus 8cx.
yeah.
I'll just compare the uncommon part. I'll write minus 8c is equal to 40.
C is minus 5.
C is minus
Mm,
5.
yeah.
That's the answer.
Oh, okay.
So where were you stuck after this?
No, because I didn't understand what to do with the question. I didn't understand how to do it.
Okay, are you clear now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so what concept this question is based? This is based on composition. Okay, so we just found this g of x minus c using the original function gx, and then we have solved, compared the coefficient. After that, we got the value of c.
Yeah,
Clear?
yes.
Do you want to write it down or it's done?
No, it's fine. Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Anyways, I will be sending whatever I'll write over here. So all annotations you'll be receiving.
Okay.
Okay, so I think we did this also. Okay, still for a practice, we are going to try few questions. Okay, because I don't remember we have done the second exercise or not. I remember we have done the first one. Okay, so can you try this fourth question?
Oh, okay. Is it A?
Okay, 5 cube is 125 minus 1 by 2 times 12 plus 4. 12 by 3 will be 4, so it will be 16. 16 by 2 is 8.
A.
25 minus 8 will be, yeah, it's correct. Okay, try the seventh question. Considering that you are good at maths, okay, I hope you are good at maths.
Yeah.
So considering you are good at maths, we will be doing only those questions where I feel that, yeah, you may get stuck, because these initial units are very easy.
Yeah.
Okay, as we will move ahead in the chapters and we will do all the questions. Okay, seventh question. What is the status?
I'm doing it.
Okay, 7 plus q square. Q square is 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 times 2 will be 1 by 2. Divide by 2p. 2p will be 8 times pi. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 2. Minus 4 plus 6 by 2 will be 3
Yeah.
minus 2. Divide by minus 1 by 2.
Uh, in 7 plus q squared, isn't that times 2 as well? Or
Look, q squared will be 1 by 4. When it is times by 2, it will be 1 by 2.
yeah,
Okay?
yeah,
That's why
yeah.
I've just written 1 by 2. I'm not
Oh,
doing all these steps. Okay?
yeah,
So, yeah, you can skip the steps like this in middle. If you can do oral calculation, mental calculation, that will be great. Okay? At least for SAT, you are free to not to write anything. Okay?
yeah. Answer is A though. I found it.
You got A?
Yeah,
Okay. So minus 6 plus 3 will be minus 3. So it will be effectively 6. That will be 14. 15 by 2 times 8. And over here it will be 6. A is correct. Okay. So for such questions, I hope you will be fine. Okay.
yeah.
Would you like to try eighth one also?
Oh,
These are based on fractions. And since all of them are divided by 2, so like, okay, you first give it a try. 5 by 2 minus twice of a plus b. Now a plus b is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is 1.5 minus 0.5. That will be only 1
yeah.
divided by c minus a. C minus a is 5 by 2 minus minus plus. So it will be 2.5 plus 0.5. That is 3. 3 square is 9.
Yeah.
0.5 minus 2 will be 0.5. 0.5 by 9. 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. So
Oh, wait. Mm.
we
Let
don't
me-
have that in option.
yeah.
Okay. Have you solved what you are getting?
I also got 1/18. That's why I
We're
was
also
able to.
getting the same. Okay, just a minute. I'll just check it out fast in the book. Okay. 1 by 18 is fine. Okay. We can move on. Okay. Now the next part is based on simplifying algebraic expressions. Okay. I think we discussed this also. Do you remember?
Yeah, yeah.
So is there any question which you want to do now? We have already discussed these, so still I'll give you an option if you want to try any of these.
No, this is not a problem.
Okay. I'll share it anyway, so remaining questions you can try as a practice. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, can you try the sixth question?
yeah.
It involves fractions, so accuracy and speed. If you feel that you are fine with the question, try to do it faster.
Okay.
Starts from this, okay? P. It starts from P minus this.
Oh, okay. P minus 2.
That P is hidden along with 2, so
Yeah. Oh, it's not equivalent. Okay.
yes. Any of the options you are getting?
1 sec.
Okay. So how do we do such questions faster? So you have to just take the terms of P first. So I'll just write P and then I'll write the coefficients together. So for the first P, it will be 1. Then it is 2 by 3 times 2P. So that will be 2 twos of 4 by 3. And then minus 1 by 3. It will be written over here. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Similarly, I'll do for Q also. So it is okay that if we write plus Q over here. Okay. Later on, we'll see if the sign is negative, automatically it will be negative. So I'll just write plus Q and then negative 2 by 3 when it is multiplied with 3, I'll get plus 2. Minus 1 by 3 multiplied with 4, I'll get minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5, minus 5 by 3. I take over there this 3 means I'll take the LCM. So it will be 3 minus 5 by 3. And here it will be 6 minus 4 by 3. So minus 2 by 3P plus 2 by 3Q is what I'm getting. From here, what should I do next? Means what can be my appropriate option?
Yeah.
What can be my appropriate option? Look at the options and tell me that which one will be the correct option.
B is correct.
B is the correct option. Where were you stuck?
Uh, I didn't know which method to use.
Okay, so what you were doing?
I was just trying to distribute which I
Okay. Look, distributive property definitely we can use. Okay, we can use that method, but it will take more time. Okay.
yeah.
I'll just show you that what you could have done. yeah, what you might be doing, you might have written p minus 4 by 3p plus 6 by 3q, then minus 1 by 3p minus 4 by 3q. This will be the first step if you will distribute. Just open the bracket. Okay.
Yeah.
Doing this, then rearranging the terms, and then finally getting the simplified form. This is a subjective method. It is not wrong, but it is not preferred in this exam. Okay. It will take more
Yeah.
of the time. So it is better to go ahead with this. Okay. I can explain it again if you have any doubt how I have done that.
No, I found.
Okay, I'm just dealing with the coefficients. Like I took P and then whatever coefficients of P were there, I just took all of them together. Similarly for Q also, I did the same thing, and that is how I got this. After that, it is just calculation. So clear?
But there wasn't a 2Q.
Where
Oh, okay, yeah, I got.
I took the LCM.
Yeah,
Okay, LCM of 3 and 1 will be 3. Okay,
yeah,
clear?
yeah.
Okay, rational, irrational. Do you know the basic difference between rational and irrational?
Uh, Irrational is like what?
Okay, what is rational number?
Like 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 um like like two, like a normal number, like
Okay, correct. Look, any number which can be written in the form of P by Q is rational. Okay, if you want, you
okay.
can write this thing. This is a concept part. Any number which can be written in the form of P by Q is rational. Now, even if you're saying 2, na, so 2 can be written as 2 by 1. There's no problem. So it is a rational number.
Yeah,
While if a number have non-terminating decimal expansion, if a number have non-terminating decimal expansion, then it is irrational. Okay, then it will be irrational. Now, what is the meaning of that? So, first of all, square root of any non-squared number. Non-squared number means the numbers who are not perfect squares. Like
yeah,
if I write root 5, if I write root 2, if I write root 7, and so on, they all will have non-terminating decimal expansion. If you actually
yeah,
solve it now, since our calculator have certain limitations, it will show you up to 7, 8 decimal places.
yeah.
So that it will not show you because this is limitation of a calculator. But let's say if you have very high precision calculator, it will go on forever.
Yeah,
Okay. So non-terminating decimal expansion means that. There is one more example in your up to grade 10, you might have seen, let's say if I solve 10 by 3. Can you tell me what will you get if you solve 10 by 3?
10 by 3, you get like 3.333, I think.
3.3333, it will go
Yeah,
on forever.
yeah,
So we write like this 3.3 dot. Are you
yeah,
okay with this notation?
yeah,
So what is the meaning of this dot? That it is not a terminating decimal place.
yeah.
Okay, it is repeating, but it is not terminating. So this is also an irrational number. One more example. If I talk about pi, do you know the value of pi?
It's 3.14.
Yeah, 3.14 is just up to 2 decimal place. But the value
Yeah,
of pi also, when you will solve in calculator, you will see that it will go on forever. Okay. It will go infinitely forever. So pi is also an irrational number. So there are many such examples which falls under irrational category.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. For this question, you can use calculator. You need to arrange them in increasing order.
Okay.
Okay. Try to do it.
Let me just get my calculator on
Yeah,
that.
sure, sure. There is actually no rule. Okay. Like this is the rule you have to use to solve the question. There are no such rules. Use
Okay.
whatever you know. Okay. Whatever smartness you have, just use that and you do it as fast as you can.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. This is correct. Let us move on. Now the next question, once again, it is based on board mass. Okay, we need to solve it and then board mass is also there. Try.
Number two and
Number two.
oh, it's B.
Okay. You have used your calculator, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Question number three. No, this is question number 2B. Yeah, it's correct. Okay. Next question. Now, this is like this thing is based on binomial approximation. Okay, but since calculator will be allowed, so you can just do it directly.
Yeah.
So it will be 500 times 1.045 to the power 8 minus 500 times 1.04 to the power 8. If you want, you can take 500 common. So 1.045 to the power 8. One point zero four five to the power 8 minus 1.45. Yes.
Uh,
What's the answer?
26.77.
Yes, it is correct. Now, which of the following is an irrational number? Based on what we discussed, try to
It's
give the answer.
D.
Reason?
Because it's the one that has a recurring decimal.
Correct. Or D is a square root of non-squared number.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, fifth one.
It's D. I mean, yeah, D.
Reason?
Uh, because again, it's
Now look, if you will check this question, there is a small flaw in the question.
A can't also be in
There are three options which are same and only one option which is odd man out. Okay.
It's B is odd one out.
Yeah.
Mm.
B is the only option which is odd man out. So the
So
question would have been which of the following is a rational number?
rational number.
Okay. B is the answer for that. It's fine. Okay. Now, if you look at the first option, if you remove the decimal, it will be root 16 over root 10. Root
Yeah,
16 is fine, but root 10 is irrational.
yeah,
Similarly, in C also, it will be root 9 over root 10. So
yeah.
3 over root 10, irrational. Root 50 itself looks irrational. It is actually irrational. So the only option available is B. Okay, the question was which of the following is a rational number? Okay, question 6. If three plays football, if three plays, a football team loses 5
Fine.
yards and then gains 32 yards by completing a pass. Okay. In three plays, a football team loses 5 yards and then gains 32 yards by completing a pass. Then a penalty was called and the team lost 10 yards. How many yards did the team actually gain? This question looks very confusing, but this is based on very fundamental thing. Okay, so what?
Isn't it just 17?
Okay, how did you get 17?
First, they lost 5 yards, but they gained 32. So 32 minus 5,
Okay,
that's 27. And then they lost another 10. So just minus 10.
correct. So basically it will be minus 5 plus 32 minus 10 and that will be 17. That's the
Yeah.
answer. Okay, next. On the number line above, if BC is equal to 2AB, what is the value of X? Interesting. How will you do this question? Look at the number line and think.
Is it minus 2.5?
I want to know how you did it.
They said BC is equal to 2AB. So 2, so I did 2 times minus 1.25 times minus 0.4.
Okay,
And then I divide by minus 0.4 by both sides.
here over there you did a mistake. That is correct. Look, now how you have to understand this question. This BC means they are talking about the length. I hope you get that.
Okay.
So what is the
Oh,
length of BC? It will
yeah.
be X minus 4, minus 0.4.
Yeah.
So can I say the length of BC will be X plus 0.4?
Yeah.
Okay. Similarly, what will be the length of AB that you have already found? How much? Minus 0.4 minus 1.25.
Yeah.
So that will be 1.25 minus 0.4 and that will be how much?
Uh, that'll be 0.85.
0.85. Now read the question again.
Oh, okay. So it'll be 1.3.
You're getting 1.3. 1.3 is correct. Okay, so with these lengths BC and AB, I will use that BC is equal to 2AB, so x plus 0.4 will be equal to twice of 0.85. Twice of 0.85 will be 1.7 minus 0.4 is x, so x will be 1.3. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so till here, do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, so actually the first
Yeah.
unit is completed. This is the chapter test. Okay, the one which I'm showing you now, this is a chapter test.
Okay.
And for every unit, the chapter test you have to do as a practice. Okay.
Okay.
And once you are done with the chapter test, you can check your answers from here. Okay. Do it in the end. Please be honest.
Okay. Yeah.
And there might be chances, like I have found some mistakes in these notes. Okay. But there might be chances that some of the answers, only some, okay, because more than 95% it is correct.
Okay.
So there are few typing errors in this. Okay.
Okay.
So if for any question you found that no, like you remember, no, one question we discovered odd
Yeah.
man only means it was a irrational. They have
Yeah.
written irrational, but it was rational. So
Yeah.
like that, if you get in any question, you can let me know in the next lecture only.
Okay. And if I have any doubts also in the next
Yeah,
lecture.
that also we'll see in the next lecture. So in today's lecture, we are starting the leftover time, whatever we have now. We are starting with the topic 2, chapter 2.
Yeah.
Okay, we have total 20 of such topics.
Yeah.
So the chapter 2, just a minute, I'll just take it over here. So this is our chapter 2, okay, which is based on linear equations.
Okay.
Okay, so the basics of linear equation, I hope they are clear. Okay, if there will be any of the topic within the questions where you will find that no, you are not clear, we will discuss that. Otherwise, we'll directly do the questions.
No. Okay.
Okay, like these are very basic question which comes at tender age, like
Yeah.
when you were in grade 6 or grade 7, you might have done these questions over there.
Okay.
18 more than a number is 125. You need to create an equation and then get the value of n. Okay, as fast as you can.
Okay.
Okay, because these are very easy, so maintain the speed.
Which question are we doing?
First one.
Improvement.
You can, without doing anything, you can directly tell me the answer. I'll be fine with that. Okay, no need to
Eh,
write.
107.
Yes, 107 is fine. So the equation will be n plus 18 is 125. So the value of n will be 107. Okay, next.
7 is less than 20 is
20 is 7 less than twice the number w.
it's less than twice the number w.
Yes. So my question is, will it be 7 minus 2w or 2w minus 7?
Oh. 7 minus 2w.
Okay, it is 7 less than twice the number.
Uh,
7
no,
less
it's
than twice the number. Okay. So is this a doubt of maths or it is a doubt of English?
English.
Okay, so please improve your English. 7 less than twice the number, so it will be 2w minus 7 is equal to 20. And yeah, after that it is very easy to solve.
Yeah, so
So the value of w will be
that,
27 divided by 2, that is 13.5.
yeah.
Okay, next. 9 less than twice x is 3 more than x. Tell me the equation.
9 less than twice x is more than 3 more than x. Of 9 minus 2x is equal to 3 plus x plus 3.
9 less than twice x. You repeated the same mistake what you did in the previous question. 9 less than twice x, it will be 2x minus 9.
Right.
Okay, 9 less than. Whatever we read in the English, the interpretation should be opposite. Okay.
Okay.
Interpret always that in opposite direction, so you will not make mistakes. Okay. 9 less than twice x means 2x minus 9 is 3 more than x. 3 more than x means x, and 3 more than x, so x plus 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So from here, when you will solve, what is the x value you are getting?
X is no 12.
12. 12 is correct. Okay. Next question. 8 less than 4 times the number.
4c minus 8 is equal to 20.
And this time it is correct. So now you have finally understood. So 4c minus 8 is equal to 20. What is the value of c from here?
C is 7.
C is 7. Correct. Next.
Sum of 4 plus 7. How do you do 5? I got
Sum of 4 consecutive odd integers. Odd integers. Tell me example of odd integers.
5.
Okay. More.
Uh, let's go.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Okay. Now what is the meaning of consecutive?
Oh, one after the other.
One after the other. Good. So if I take 1, 3, 5, are they consecutive odd numbers?
Yeah.
Yes. So can you see the difference between any two consecutive odd numbers will be 2?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the logic. So I'll start with any random number. I don't know what is that, so I'll start with n.
Okay.
Sum of 4 consecutive odd integers means n plus 2, n plus 4, n plus 6. Okay, please focus on this. N plus 2, difference is 2. N plus 4, difference between two of them is 2. And N plus 6.
Yeah.
So they are consecutive odd integers and their sum is 296.
Hmm.
Okay, try to get the n value from here. Just form an equation and get the n value.
It's 71.
It's 71. Okay. So consecutive odd integers, or even if they say consecutive even integers, it is same.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question.
Sum of 3 fourths of a number is 20. So it's 3/4 uh 3/4a
Correct.
plus 24 is equal to -9.
Very good. So what is the value of a?
-44.
Minus 44 is correct. Okay. So that will be 3 by 4a is equal to -9 minus 24 is -33. Okay.
Yeah.
Both of them are going with 3, so I'll just do it and then a will be -44. Okay. Seventh question.
Hey. Yeah, sorry. I just talked to my mother. Number G is equal that. So,
So number G is decreased by 23 and then multiplied by 1 by 2. What is the meaning of that? G minus 23 or 23 minus G?
23 minus G.
Once again, you fell in the trap. This time it is decreased by 23. Okay.
So by is like
Yeah, this is all English things. Okay.
yeah.
So I'll show you the previous question also so that you'll understand both the things comparatively. Look at second and third question.
Yeah.
7 less than twice the number. 7 less than twice the number. When they use the words less than, more than, okay, then it will always be the later one minus previous one. No need to learn that, okay? These are just observations which we should make, but need
Yeah.
not learn. Use your general understanding and do it, okay?
Okay.
If you see this, now you will say that I have, let's say, 100 dirhams, but my 100 dirhams are decreased by 20 dirhams at the day end.
Yeah.
How much I am left with?
So you just minus it, so it.
So no one will do 20 minus 100.
Yeah.
Everyone will do 100 minus 20 only. Okay.
Yeah.
You getting? This is the power of money. When money comes, we can very easily think. Okay. So always think about money in such cases, you will get it correct. So decreased by 23 means it will be G minus 23.
Yeah.
Okay. And then multiplied by 1 by 2. So multiplied. And the result is 8 more than twice the number. Okay.
So yeah.
2G plus 8. Now
Yeah.
quickly solve and get the value of G.
Yeah. Yeah, 13.
Minus 13 is correct. Okay. So G minus 23, that 2 will go on the other side. It will be 4G plus 16. Okay. And then you can shift the terms here and there. Means I'll take G terms on one side. So G minus 4G will be minus 3G. And 16 plus 23 will be 39. So G is minus 13. Okay, mix and match, if you want to do it manually or using calculator, the thing is it should be done faster.
Yeah.
Next is the quotient of P and Q is 12 less than, okay. You try to frame the equation first.
Quotient of P and Q is 12 less than 3 times the sum of P and Q.
Now this is a hint I can give over here, that I'm just highlighting that less than, okay?
It's D
It's D.
or C or
I don't know, you have to tell me.
no, it's C, yeah. C.
Okay. Tell me the final answer, C or D.
C.
C is correct because it is given na 12 less than. Okay.
Less than, so 12
And
hours.
when it is like this, when it is given like this, then we have discussed sum of P plus Q. Sum of P and Q will be P plus Q. 3 times sum of P plus Q. Look, I am just interpreting it in opposite direction.
Yeah.
12 less than that, so minus 12. And who is 12 less than this thing? Quotient of P by Q. Okay. Okay, fine. We can move on. Next is just to solve equations. Okay, the first one was to frame equations and solve.
Yeah.
So this is more or less similar to what we have seen in the previous one. But yeah, here they have given something, but they are asking something else. Okay, so you have to show your smartness. Like in the first question, I'll show you that how you have to think. Okay, any general student can get the x value from here and then substitute it over here. Okay,
Right.
but the question is designed in such a way that you should take the value of, like, let's say if I take minus common, so it will be minus 11 minus x is equal to 9. Do you understand
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
So minus 11 minus x, exactly it is there in that required expression.
Yeah.
So I'll just write 20 plus 9 because the value of minus 11 minus x is 9. So 20 plus 9 will be 29. That's the answer.
Okay.
Okay, it is all about approach. You have to approach a question like this.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
I'm not saying that you cannot solve it. You can very easily solve it by using those school methods, but not preferred. Okay, it will take time. And there will be some questions in your paper where you have to give time. So you have to save on such questions where you can actually do it very fast.
Yeah.
Okay. Try the same approach in the next question.
Number 2 is 27.
Okay. What is the value of 33 plus 3a?
Yeah, 27.
Yes, it will be 27. So I hope you understood what I was trying to say.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
Number 3. What's the ending of number 3? Like,
I'll just write it down just a minute. What is the value of x?
value by.
And like you can see that in first 5 questions, there are no options given. Okay.
Yeah.
So these questions, these type of questions will be coming like this only without options.
Um,
Okay, I send this x on the other side, so it will be x plus x by 2
yeah.
and 3 by
Yeah.
4 minus 3. Okay, if you get the answer, let me know.
But you can't do the same thing you did at 1 and 2 with number 3, right?
No, we can't because they are just asking x. So we
Yeah.
have to actually solve it like an equation. Okay, it all depends on the question. So like in this, we can't. So let us solve it. So x plus x by 2 will be 3x by 2, and over that is 3 minus 12 minus 9.
4. So x equals to- is x minus 3 over 2?
Yes, x is minus 3 over 2. Okay. Based on this question, the value of x will be minus 3 over 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Quickly try the fourth question also.
Okay.
Now in this chapter also, you can see that there is nothing new concept. Okay. It is all about the similar type of questions, but approach is different.
Yeah.
Okay. So while practicing in these classes, you have to learn that only. That is the only thing because of which you need these classes. Okay. For every chapter, there will be some or the other tricks, tips, which I'll be
So
telling.
it's to become fast and to
Yeah.
become
Yeah.
good
Speed
at the
plus
tips.
accuracy, both the things. Okay. Fourth
Uh,
question.
7 over 3.
Fourth question, no. If I open the bracket, it will be minus 3 plus 2x plus 4 minus 5x is equal to minus 7. Okay.
Yeah.
Now 2x minus 5x is minus 3x.
Oh yeah.
Minus
No,
3
no.
is 1. 1 goes on the other side. It will
Yeah,
be
yeah. 6. Oh. Minus 8 and then 8 over 3.
yes.
I had
So
to
it will
forgot
be
about the 1.
it will be minus 8. X will be 8 over 3. Okay. So now in this also, in this unit also, like you can very easily try this exercise. Okay. We have our next class on, it's on Friday only, no?
Friday, right? Yeah.
Or yeah,
No, it's on Saturday, I think.
it's on Saturday, yes. So you have time. Okay. Try
Yeah.
to finish at least 2 of the exercise, and ideally if you can finish all the questions of this chapter also, it will be great.
Okay.
Okay, initially in these chapters, because all the concepts are easy, we will do it faster. We have to spend more time on the later chapters.
Okay.
Okay, so you also try to be as fast as you can. Spend minimum 1 to 2 hours for math. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so see you on Saturday. Saturday's class will be for 1.5 hours, so we'll do substantially more number of questions and more concepts will be covered in there.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.